Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to make one of the delicious and healthy Murungai Keerai Sambar at home. We all love sambar, particularly when we prepare this with drumstick leaves, it tastes absolute divine. The preparation is quite simple and even beginners can try at home and enjoy the benefits of this healthy dish. It just tastes great along with some hot steamed rice topped with ghee, paired up with any spicy curry or papad. Also, it can be served with any South Indian breakfast like idli, dosa, vada, kichdi, etc. So, without further ado, let's get started with the recipe. To start with, let's take out the moringa leaves from the stem and set it aside. There might be still some small tiny stems are attached to the leaves, but that is perfectly fine. We all know this Murungai Keerai or drumstick leaves is an excellent source of protein and it's a natural energy booster. Also, these leaves are rich in vitamins and minerals. It helps to lower BP, very good for eyesight, and has a lot of medicinal values. So, let's try to include this in our diet regularly for a healthy living. To start with, I am adding 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, let's season it with mustard, cumin seeds, and split urad dal. Next I am adding 3 by 4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Next goes in half teaspoon of pepper. Salt the seasonings in low to medium heat and wait for it to crackle. Next I am adding in few curry leaves. Once it starts spluttering, let's add 2 red chilies. Now let's add 10 to 15 number of small onions. Small onions gives wonderful taste and flavor to this sambar. Let's add some rock salt and salt well in low to medium heat. Also, small onions are packed with nutrients, low in calories but very high in vitamins and minerals. Now we can see the onions are slightly translucent, so let's add chopped tomatoes and cook well. Let's add 1 by 4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder and 1 by 4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next, adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1½ teaspoon of coriander powder. Let's combine the masala well. Cover and cook the masala for 2 to 3 minutes in low heat. Now we can see the masalas are well combined. So let's add the Moringa Keerai leaves. Take the soaked leaves gently from the water, leaving behind the sand and the debris. Combine the leaves well with the masala. The leaves will get cooked quickly on frying in medium heat itself. Keep tossing until the leaves are cooked and you get a nice aroma. Next I am adding in 1 by 4 cup of tamarind water. Mix it well and allow to boil. Once it starts boiling, let us add the cooked and mashed tur dal. Mix well and allow to cook in medium heat. Now let's add some 2 cups of water and adjust the consistency of the sambar. Stir well. You can adjust the spice and salt level to suit your taste. Let the sambar boil in medium heat for 2 more minutes. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of sambar powder. It's always good to use homemade sambar powder to get the best taste of sambar. Recipe for homemade sambar powder I am giving in the below description. Let the sambar cook for few more minutes and turn off the heat. Now our healthy, flavorful, delicious Murungai Keerai Sambar is ready. Also, this is one of the most favorite dishes of all South Indian homes. It makes a wholesome, yummy lunch with a combo of any stir fry and papad. I hope you'll all give this easy and tasty recipe a try at your home and share your feedback with me. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give like, comment and share with your friends. Until I meet you all with a new recipe, happy cooking and happy eating. Bye bye.